Living in the UAE but still receiving tax notices from your home country? If yes, this is something you cannot ignore. Welcome to Easy Tax Bite series TRC Diaries, where we simplify important tax matters through clear updates and practical insights. Today's tax alert is for UAE residents, especially business owners, investors, and working professionals. Many residents are receiving tax notices because they do not have a tax residency certificate, commonly known as TRC. A TRC is the official document that confirms where you are treated as a tax resident. Without a valid TRC, two countries may legally claim tax on the same income, leading to double taxation. In TRC Diaries, we will explain what TRC is, who needs it, and how it helps you legally save tax. Why many UAE residents receive tax notices from their home countries. What exactly is a tax residency certificate, commonly known as TRC? TRC is an official certificate issued by the UAE authorities that confirms you are treated as a tax resident of the UAE for a specific financial year. This certificate is used to claim benefits under double tax avoidance agreements, also known as tax treaties. In simple terms, a TRC tells foreign tax authorities this individual or company is taxable in the UAE. A common question we receive is, who actually needs a tax residency certificate? TRC is important for UAE residents who earn income from another country or have financial connections abroad. This includes business owners receiving overseas income or dividends, professionals and freelancers working with foreign clients, investors earning interest, capital gains, or rental income outside the UAE, and NRIs who want to clearly establish their UAE tax residency. If foreign income is involved and tax is being questioned or deducted, TRC becomes a critical document. Key eligibility conditions required to qualify for a tax residency certificate. To be eligible for TRC, you must be able to prove substantial presence in the UAE. This is generally established through physical stay in the UAE during the year, supported by official entry and exit records. You must also hold a valid UAE residence visa and maintain economic substance, such as an active bank account in the UAE. In addition, proof of residential address, like a tenancy contract or ejari, is an important requirement. If these conditions are not met, the TRC application may be rejected even if you live or work in the UAE. Key documents required to apply for a tax residency certificate. To begin with, you must submit identity and residency proof, including your passport, UAE residence visa, and Emirates ID. Next, entry and exit records are required to establish your physical presence in the UAE. You must also provide bank statements from a UAE bank proving economic activity within the country. In addition, proof of local residential address, such as a tenancy contract or ejari, is an essential requirement. For business owners, additional company documents may also be required. Missing or inconsistent documents can delay or even reject your TRC application. Most common mistakes that lead to TRC application rejection. One major mistake is mismatch between entry-exit records and bank activity, which raises questions about actual presence in the UAE. Another frequent issue is submitting incomplete or outdated bank statements, or statements that do not reflect genuine economic activity. Incorrect or expired documents, including visas or tenancy contracts, are also common reasons for rejection. Applying without meeting the minimum stay or substance requirements can further weaken an application. These mistakes often result in delays, rejections, or repeated follow-ups from authorities. Stay tuned to Easy Tax Bite TRC Diaries.